Oh, let me turn my radio back. It was bad. Good. Oh my God. You miss being in MS? I can understand.
Harper shows in a 1080 with a white four-door in Hollywood Hills headed westbound. Dispatch code 4, we left.
Do you have a kit?
Dispatcher, Ava, and Camden are on a 1012 again.
This is dispatch 10-4, copy.
Nah, you sound extra tired today. I was. I go to bed early. I'm
Police,
surprised
come here.
anybody.
Police, come here. Police. It's Ormy.
Oh, they doing territories, I think.
This is Ormy. This is Ormy. Come in the zone. Come in the zone. It's Ormy.
That don't sound right, though. Not gonna lie.
Yes, it is. Look on top of the roof.
Oh, it is.
Oh,
Yeah, come,
shit.
yeah, come in the zone. Help us take over the zone, man. It's 15 of us in here. Come on.
We might swing by. We might be back.
We got to go to Harbor. We're going to Harbor. So I'll see you
All right.
guys later.
All right, 10-4. Ooh, territory. The harbor is crazy. Me too. Me too. It's crazy.
Is that show us on a pursuit with the EMS beside the hospital on that left street?
Did they say a medic? They need to put arrows on the road which way to go. God, dog, I'll be going crazy.
Ah, ou wak a di m sot talè a, e pa fote mwen nan mte vidi m neg la talè a m ki to tuyel. Si m pat pase sou li mte vidi el manjou.
Harper, what's your 20?
I hope the medic didn't kill him.
What?
Can we get
Di
an
na
updated
kedi
location
kasi
of that
lang.
foot pursuit,
Mr.
please?
Naligo lot territory ako na 8 minutes.
He ran.
Harper, what's your 20?
In HP, suspect working up onto the second floor where we can't get to him. On the elevator.
Copy.
Oh, I was just thinking the same thing. Oh my God. Oh my God, really? Sir, put your weapon away. Sir, I need you to put your weapon away. I could have sworn he was shooting it.
Oh, mle, shit.
Dispatch, we got shots fired over here by the bridge by HP, close towards the house.
Take a right.
Yeah, fuck 12, nigga. Hey, Carissa, what's the word, baby? Fuck 12, nigga. You know what it is.
Now come pick me up.
Go.
Please, I'm sorry.
Man, don't pick that bitch up. I'm about to kill your ass. Don't pick her up. I'm gonna kill you, nigga. My mama.
I'm sorry. Didn't mean it. Accident.
Well, that account about to be banned.
I'm a real soul boy, nigga. Dead ass bitch. I don't fuck with no cop.
Hey, this the EMS worker right there, man.
Oh, shit. Hey, this is same nigga who did it to y'all, though. On my mama.
Hey, it's the medic worker with the blue shirt. He ran. Hey, medic, come pick me up.
What are y'all doing?
Shot fire. I got medic.
What y'all doing?
I just told you who was shooting. Y'all just gonna let him kill the medic?
Let me go call medic. I'm coming.
Back to the HP.
Risking my life every day in these streets.
Let me go get a medic. I'm coming.
I can't feel my legs. My legs. I can't feel them.
Yo, is that the green scrub? He done shot you down.
I
He
don't
did
fuck
some...
with no cop, down.
Yeah, that's me.
Oh my God, they done killed you. My bad.
Damn, they got summer?
Yeah, they got me. I ain't had no vest.
Dang, Jersey having a seizure over there?
Hey, they shooting again. They shooting.
It's EMS. It's the same guy, Harper.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Damn.
He's
That boy
behind you.
Jersey having a seizure. Dang, they flipping the whips. Flipping the cars.
Yeah, they better get out and get him, man.
Ambulance up to the police.
Oh, Carissa, they had me hot. They need to close that whole trainee thing or something.
Where are you going?
Let me go.
Have him down.
That's crazy.
Let me go. Let me go.
3 days ago.
I will come back and find you, even kill me or do me. Let me go.
Wait, Edward.
Ooh, locker room.
I like your woke.
You like my block?
I like your woke.
Okay. Sir, get down!
Oh.
Sir, get down! Sir, get down!
Go ahead. I'm rolling. Ooh, Jen.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, you see what she holding.
Hey, let's get active. I know y'all got, but you can do some 10-14 performance.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, Summer.
What she say?
I don't know. She said something about 10-14. I think we have to go do our patrols. We can't just be
Oh,
hanging out.
yeah. Where they now?
So Harper got a
They're
tracker on
upstairs,
him.
dude. They on 4-2, I think.
See, you gonna get us in trouble.
Me?
Yeah, don't go in there.
Oh, okay, she put the tracking beacon on. Good.
Yeah, his ass in jail now. He talking a lot of shit on the ground too. He's like, I killed 3 of y'all. I said there, I was like, and you going to jail too. What's up?
Good job. At least good job putting that track on. I ain't even think about that. Yo, that was crazy.
To be fair, I didn't either. Lucky reminded me.
Ooh, I'm throwing it down. Oh, yeah. Yep.
I had to,
Yep.
I knew I was gonna die, but I was like, I'm gonna put this car between him and that ambulance.
Good stuff. We got him, Marcus.
I know Army is doing territories tonight. I wonder if they should have invited everyone. They asked us when we rolled by.
I'm gonna serve us out for a bit. I'll be back.
Summer, are you an MG?
I'm really confused why I'm being told to put the details in the frag chat like I arrested somebody. I'm lost.
Yeah, that's weird. I would, yeah. Summer, are you MG?
Yeah, I was about to say, who called me? Yeah.
I need an FTO test.
All right, when you ready.
Now.
Let's roll.
Bet.
I didn't think nobody's ever told me we had to put anything for a beacon. You just plan it and make sure you put your macro for it, which I did.
Yeah, now if they died, you don't have to put nothing.
Yeah, that's what they're telling me to do, but I don't think
That nigga say got to be more.
Where Chief at? Where Chief?
Girl, where is you going? He say find a vest. A vest is over here. 2 vests right here.
You know what? I got nervous, okay, and I didn't want to say anything.
Girl, you ain't gotta be nervous. Not
I
around
have
me.
social anxiety, okay?
It's okay. I'm gonna help you with that.
I think
We need to do some patrol missions. Can any of us do a right around the
Miss King,
Yeah.
do you have any time to take me
This
or
is
my
Officer James. Officer Ewa, please
going
can you come
over
round to PD?
on patrol, possibly?
Like, where you want?
This class is starting right now.
We're fresh out of academy.
I'm at where the
Fresh,
vibe
we
goes
gotta do
back.
patrols.
Just over here.
Where was that?
That was what were you heard, man?
Probably in that room.
Yes, ma'am. Yep. Thank you, ma'am.
Where you want me?
Excuse me?
Mr. Ewa. Mr. Ewa.
Oh.
The academy class is upstairs. I'm pretty sure that's where
Dispatch, show
they would
me
just.
1011 outside PD by the Dion downtown.
Where you went. It's the same room.
Yep.
What's the name of the
definitely.
officer who
I'm
took
there.
him to
I'm
the
going.
jail cell?
Chris, are you going to class or are you skipping?
Can
Are
you
you
hear me,
going?
Miss Ewa?
Camden.
Okay. I think he logged off.
I asked. Yeah, someone needs to take him.
No, he said, let me go.
But
Before he logged
I need
off.
to know what the situation was about. That's why I need a supervisor
So
here.
he was shooting at
Mr.
other people outside PD.
No, I
So
killed him.
Mr.
and he
Dave.
has gone out.
What?
Yep.
This is Mr. Jen speaking. Please, can I get a supervisor down at PDG?
I might have to go back inside. I gotta get off for like 15 minutes. Or actually, I was gonna say, I can probably go do that too. It's just I need to be like up and walking around, but I can listen to class.
Put him in the jail cell. Thank you.
My dog.
And check your passport.
Oh, okay, bet. Yeah, that'd be great. All right, yeah, because I have my headphones in and I can hear if something pops off, but I just gotta feed my dogs and let them outside really quick. They've been begging me. I got an old dog and he's got to go out a lot. All right, I'm gonna throw up my 10-12 and then I'll be able to hear you guys, but and I'll run back if I hear something pop off.
Dispatch, show me code 4 on that 1011.
All right, I am back. Didn't sound like it. How many dogs do you have? Holy moly, that's a whole pack. I got 2. One little one and then one like chow chow. Aw, that's cute. I love dogs. I like cats too, but I'm super allergic, so I can't have any. They say you get more used to it. I'm allergic to my dogs, but obviously not enough to like get rid of them. Just enough so that yeah, I'm like sniffly every day, kind of. I should. I take Zyrtec, and I don't know how good it works. Dang, yeah, I got pretty bad allergies, not gonna lie. I'm stuffy like 95% of my life. Oh, what the heck? We're both in the back seat like we're your kids. There, I hopped over the back. I didn't really want to go to class, but I guess I could have. We don't have to though, right? Yeah. I usually try to time the 5 o'clock class with like my dinner, and then I eat while I'm in there. Oh, what do you feed? I feed deer. Oh my gosh, little mini farm. I love it. I'm jealous. That's like my dream. I wish I could have that. I tried to convince my family to get a cow. Nobody was down for it. Right? I just want one as a pet. I'm telling you, that's what I keep seeing on Facebook, and now it's like stuck in my head. Either that, or I love the little mini pigs too. Those are adorable. Oh yeah, I've seen him before. He's come over here to do and sat in on academy classes and stuff. Yeah, he seems cool. I tried medical on a different server, NRP, for like a couple days. I just couldn't get into it. Maybe I didn't give it enough of a try though. It was also when it was brand new. Oh really? Shit. I just had to decline a call and my mic cut out for a second. Did I miss something?
Officer.
I think so. Scooter kid was talking to us.
Officer King, can you give me a courtesy ride, a taxi? Oh, never mind. You got an inmate. You finna go ahead and lock him up.
No, we only got officers in here, but we're actually not allowed to just give people rides unless it's to jail, unfortunately. We get asked that all the time. I'm sorry.
That's terrible. All right, appreciate.
Drive safe.
I'm gonna try.
Unlike that other scooter down there.
I know, right?
Do we want a 1019 and grab Lucky? I think he's in the garage. He just finished his FTO test. Oh, I saw that taser, and I thought it was one of you for a second. I was like, who are we tasing?
Otis? Hold on.
Oh, right here?
What the feds doing? What the feds doing? What the feds doing? I'm gonna blick y'all niggas down. Y'all gonna die today. Come outside the green zone, goofies. Oh shit, run, nigga. They gonna tase you. They gonna tase you, gang. They will
Hey, you're
tase
the
your
one that
ass,
fucking
gang. We
tased me
most
last
wanted,
time,
bro.
man.
We most wanted. Oh shit,
Hey,
he's
I don't
gonna
like
tase
this
you.
one. I don't like this one.
Dispatcher, me and George are on a 1012.
Y'all tased me. I ain't say shit.
I don't have any violations, bro. You're just teasing me for no reason.
Hey,
You
I
have a
promise
weapon
you,
on
you a
you.
dead man outside the street.
Oh shit, they shooting. Hey, bro, go help your people, bro. They shooting, bro. I could hear it.
Dispatch me like shots on your house.
Bro, why you locking me
Bro,
up?
watch out,
Suspect
bro.
is by the pharmacy.
He didn't even do nothing. He didn't do nothing.
Hey. Oh. Carries up. Hofer, what's up? What?
You're arrested.
Wow.
You're arrested. What the fuck? Where'd he go?
What? Hold on. No, y'all tripping. Hofer. No. Hofer. Seriously?
Fuck y'all, bitch. Fuck y'all niggas.
Yeah, you're going to jail. You're going to jail.
Fuck you.
Girl power. Girl power.
What?
Going to jail.
Hold on.
3.6 on that man. 3.6 on that man.
Bro, I ain't shoot up.
Yes, you did. You're gonna get a 3.6, sir.
How many? You see that? How many? What?
Yeah, I seen that.
No.
You're gonna get a 3.6.
For what? What's the reason? Carissa.
Hey, Bobby, if you don't need anything, get out of here, sir.
Bro, I've been helping y'all.
Carissa, hold on. What's the reason? I'm finna.
Oh man.
No, hold on. Don't charge me. Don't charge me yet. Hold on. No. I need your supervisor right now. Don't charge me. No. You're tripping right now. No. Carissa. I'm your chief, Carissa. Carissa, I'm your chief, Carissa.
I'm about to say, isn't
No, no.
This is not
Oh,
new.
bro. Oh, no, no. I was gonna help you. I ain't shoot at you.
Dude, I literally can't charge him. Like, it won't let-
it's
Bro,
because
no.
because you can't charge him because he's PD.
Oh,
Oh my God. I was gonna help you. I did help you out. Oh, bro, come on. They were shooting at you. And I did help you.
Oh, shit. I didn't realize you were on vacation.
He's PD. That's why. That's too funny, bro.
Oh, bro, come on. I'm your chief.
Bruh, I seen him and I was
Dispatch, be advised, we got shots fired outside of PD.
They were shooting at you, and I tried to help you. That's all.
Alright, my bad.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
So funny.
Well, I passed, obviously.
I know, that's exciting.
Dispatch, be advised, we have shots fired outside
Oh,
of
you got
PDD
you
by the
got
ramp.
oh, you passed
2
your test, shorty?
suspects.
Oh, that's good, man. Congratulations, buddy.
Appreciate it, bro.
You're so lucky I can tase you in the green zone, man. You're so lucky. All right, be safe, guys.
You
Alright,
too. Jamal, do you want to hop in with... Oh, you're getting off. Okay. Alright. What's the update on that shots fired?
Carissa, you want to go out? Oh, okay.
Gotta do something for 1 second. I was gonna say, we can sit here, or if you want to drive for a second.
No, you're good. I could use the break.
Alright, just give me 2 seconds.
That roleplay couldn't have been even any easier. As soon as we left, somebody somebody hit us, and it was a smooth pullover.
Ah, I went right through you. Congratulations. Alright, I'm going AFK for 1 minute. Like, literally 1 minute.
It didn't go through him. You missed.
I did not.
She refuses to believe.
Okay, my bad. I was messing with my dogs.
They're gonna always do that.
Wow. Oh.
They drive again.
Harmony, wait.
Hi.
What up?
You need someone to like ride with you?
I mean, yeah, but it'd be alright.
Come on, Mr. Bell. You can drive. Let's go.
Wait. Let's do it. Sorry, dude. I just ran right in front of you. Oh, wait, there's a charger over here.
I'm waiting for you guys. Let's do a group one.
What's up, suckers? Oh, okay. No worries, Jonathan. Yeah. I don't usually take them, but if I do, I would probably go to my apartment. Dude, I quit playing for like almost a year, but apparently I had left enough on the what you call it, because when I came back, I still had it. I have an apartment like right by PD.
I quit. I'm just-
You quit?
Bro, I went outside PD and got killed by the same guy 2 times, and every time we get him, he logs off. Like, it's so freaking annoying, and he only kills me. He's in a white suit named Jaquan or Jawan. Ugh, it's making me mad. He tases us out, and he always gets me first. Like,
Oh, you want to grab? I'm gonna grab a different car. I can go with her.
Carissa, will you give us a charger?
I'm gonna get you, Lucky. And you know why? Oh no, Camden, no!
Will someone please spawn us a charger? Perfect. You're good. You're good.
I'll get you later, Lucky, when you're least expecting it.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I have started drinking because tonight is frustrating.
Oh man, you heard Savage quit and
Hold on, don't
KJ?
pull out yet.
I saw Savage.
Wait,
I didn't know
Harper,
KJ.
Harper, Harper. Alright, go outside.
Carissa, let me get your car.
Ten 13, shots fired at a PDG. This is Lieutenant Bo Ethan.
Sir, requested your passport. If you don't let me see it, it is an additional charge.
Yo, right here. They're on the roof.
Can't hear you, Jonathan. Your mic is definitely cutting out. Just
Can I get a pat down from you on my suspect? Showtime, can I get a pat down?
Nova, will you ride with me so I can go outside and respond to this call?
alright, sir. Just watch it. Watch yourself. I'm gonna be
Or
patting
I
you
don't
down.
know.
Make sure you don't have nothing that will poke me.
Thank you, Awa. Let's go to respond to this call.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Good to good.
Change your phone.
Welcome back. That was quick. It's still messing up. Yeah, we can't hear shit. Yeah, they dead acting up. NRP, they acting up today. Right. Approved cursor. Some messed up, Johnny.
I'm a about this service.
E bagay nan jilet si e
Gela.
Ito na natapong-tapong ko alam bod niya.
Hey.